Welcome to Scott's Music Cave. In today's video, we're going to go check out some of the fun projects I've got going on in my shop. My name is Scott Reed. I'm a woodwind repair technician. Let's get started. I have some fun projects going on right now, and I just kind of wanted to show you what I'm working on. First thing is this Conn Bari sax. It's a New Wonder Transitional from 1929, and I'm really excited to get this saxophone. I've been looking for one of these for a long time, and this one's actually in pretty good shape. There's not really any major dents or dings. Definitely a couple little dings, but there's definitely some finish issues, and somebody had the nerve to scratch that into it. It says big scratches, but on this horn I'm planning on stripping the lacquer and then giving it a complete overhaul. And there's actually kind of a fun thing that I've been looking for. I've had this horn for a short period of time, but I've been wanting to do a few things to it. And you'll notice there's no front F, and the newer 12Ms have a front F, and there was kind of a transition. So here is a later 12M from the 50s, and this is a parts horn. You can see, if you look at the bell brace, it's pushed in and coming unsoldered. You've got some significant caved in guards. Bow's been worked on quite a bit over the years. It's been re-lacquered. That's pushed in. You've got some serious issues with the neck branches, if you can tell in the photos, but that brace that's at an angle, that should be straight. So that's how pushed in that is. So yeah, this horn's trashed, and it was missing a key, a couple keys actually. So I've turned it into a parts horn. I think I'm going to steal these guards off of it and put them on my horn, because that's kind of a nice little feature to protect those, the front F and the high E. And here's the front F I was talking about. I'm sorry, to protect the high E and the F key. And here's the front F lever I was talking about. On the really late 12Ms, this piece here is integrated into the upper key stack, and I'm not really sure how easy that would be to swap that one over. This one's on two separate posts and then two separate posts, so I can just unsolder that and put it onto my 12M, which will give my horn a front F without any kind of major surgery, which I think is really cool and exciting. Besides that, on this horn, there's a lot of good parts left on it. It was missing the side F guard, and you see I stole the neck strap ring, because actually my horn needs a neck strap ring. But yeah, this horn has been beat up. You can see that post is pushed in, that brace is pushed in on the neck branch, and the neck doesn't match as well as it's beat up just like the rest of the horn. Also, the neck receiver is cracked. Otherwise, I'd steal that for a backup for something. Seen the guard there too. But it does have the Naked Lady engraving. And it is missing some screws. Oh yeah, that's pushed in on both sides. That bell brace is. Wow. On my 12M, I think I will put transfer those key guards over for the high E and the front and the F, because you can see that on these older ones the front F is all one piece, and it does make it a little more easy to bend and not as stable, but as long as the key plays tight and you got a nice firm spring, it works well. The later ones are a two-piece mechanism, which is better, but that's just how this one is, and I'm not going to change that because I think it looks cool and it's definitely functional. But yeah, so I'll put those guards on and then transfer those braces over. I'll probably have to either just take that off when I strip the lacquer. I could move it, but I'll probably just take it off, because I don't plan on marching with this horn, and it'll just come off. This horn, let's see. I did have to replace some of the pearls. I've done a little work to this horn, just kind of making sure all the screws were loose and finding it was missing some of the little grub screws that hold the pivot screws on. And these these three rollers here were frozen, so they ended up breaking when I tried to get them off. But luckily I have some replacements that look nice and match quite well, even though that one's faded, or either faded or that's how it came. But that's, a lot of the Conns are white like that, so I don't know if that's original or not. But so yeah, that's one of my projects I wanted to show you. So yeah, that's what that guard looks like that's on the other one. This one's unsoldered. And there's the neck strap ring that's been cut into with a neck strap, a metal neck strap hook. Let's see, anything else on the saxophone? Oh yeah, that'll need some cleaning up. Not a big deal though. But the bow's straight. There's a dent there, but this part's straight. Also, the engraving on this saxophone is definitely what you'd expect from 1929. This horn's been refinished. I don't know if this was originally a brass horn, because I kind of always thought that this engraving, which you probably can't really see, was only on silver horns, but I could definitely be wrong. The other project I'm working on is this Conn New Wonder 2 from 1927, I believe, and it's gold plated. It's got some really nice engraving on it. Hopefully you can see that in the light, but yeah, this horn is beautiful. This one actually belongs to my son, who's at Kansas University, and he plays this horn with an Autolink, and he sounds very good on it. But yeah, this horn looks really nice. Gold plated. I think that's an original gold plated lyre screw. Here's the keys. I've started the size pads on the saxophone. These are the resonators and pads I'm going to put in. These are Pisoni pads from Italy, and these are the gold-plated domed resonators from Music Medic, and they're just slightly domed, and they look really nice. They last. I mean, they're really good quality. They don't corrode or anything. I've had these. I put these resonators in a lot of saxophones, and I really like them. They just look nice. And all the saxophones I've installed on them sound good. So yeah, I think that's going to do it for today. I just kind of wanted to give you a tour. Let me know what you think of a video like this. Do you want more of them? Should I keep doing these little tabletop, what's going on in the shop type videos? My name's Scott Reed. I'm a woodwind repair technician. I play music professionally. I buy, sell, trade, and collect musical instruments. And now I have a YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching.